Stop everything you're doing right now. Look around your room. Is it clean? Organized? Now, let me ask you something harder. What does your mind look like? Because here's the truth nobody wants to hear. You're living in a mental dumpster. 60,000 thoughts are racing through your head every single day. And scientists say 95% of them, the exact same garbage you thought yesterday. Fear, worry, what if I fail? What will they think? And you're wondering why you can't make money online? You can't build a business in a polluted mind. But what if I told you there's a detox for that? Let me guess your story. You watch the videos. Make $10,000 a month with ChatGPT. Passive income while you sleep. So you tried it. Maybe you started a blog, wrote 3 posts, got 12 views, quit. Maybe you made a digital product, spent 20 hours on it, sold 0. And now you're thinking, this online money thing, it's not for people like me. Wrong. You didn't fail because the strategy was bad. You failed because your mind was programmed wrong. Think about it. You spend 8 hours consuming content created by millionaires, then wonder why you aren't creating. You follow motivation accounts posting Lamborghinis, then feel like a failure when you look at your Toyota. You're trying to install millionaire software on a broke mindset hard drive. But today, that changes. Because I'm about to show you the exact 4-step system that combines ancient mental reprogramming techniques with cutting-edge AI tools. The same system that took me from $0 to $2,400 a month in passive income